Why does my mattress make noise when I move? Have you ever found yourself woken up in the middle of the night by the annoying squeaks and creaks of your mattress? It's a common issue, but understanding why it happens can help you find a solution. First, let's look at the mattress itself. If your mattress has inner springs, these can be a major source of noise. Over time, the springs can become loose or worn out, causing friction and squeaking sounds when you move. This is especially true for hybrid and innerspring mattresses, which tend to squeak more as they age. Another factor could be the materials used in your mattress. If your mattress is made with low-quality materials or lacks proper support, it can lead to squeaking. For instance, if the mattress is exposed to high humidity, the materials can absorb moisture, swell, and rub against each other, producing squeaks. The bed frame is also a common culprit. Loose bolts or joints in the bed frame can cause the frame to shift and squeak when you move. This is often due to the constant pressure from the mattress and your weight. Additionally, changes in humidity can cause the wood in the bed frame to warp, leading to squeaks. The box spring is another potential source of noise. If the box spring is old, the springs inside can deteriorate, causing squeaks. Also, if the box spring is rubbing against the bed frame, it can create noise. To check this, try moving your mattress off the bed and pressing into the box spring to see if it makes any noise. Sometimes the issue might be as simple as the mattress not being properly aligned with the bed frame or box spring. If the mattress is too big or too small for the frame, it can cause friction and squeaking. Ensuring the mattress is centered and fits the frame correctly can help reduce noise. To fix these issues, you can try a few simple solutions. For example, tightening any loose screws or bolts in the bed frame can help stabilize it and reduce squeaks. Applying a silicone-based lubricant to the joints or springs can also reduce friction and quiet the noise. Rotating or flipping your mattress regularly can distribute the weight more evenly and minimize wear and tear. If the problem persists, you might need to consider replacing worn-out components or even investing in a new mattress. Adding a mattress topper can also help by providing extra cushioning and reducing pressure on the mattress, which can minimize squeaking sounds. By understanding the sources of the noise and taking these steps, you can enjoy a quieter and more comfortable sleep.